It is a beautiful spring day and I am going to try to swap out the rims that I hate on my Xterra. I found a guy in Altamont Springs, Florida that had original Pathfinder rims with some decent tires on them. Mine are pretty bald, is how I bought it. And well, I gotta make a trip, so I got a great deal on the wheels, and my brother-in-law Angel's gonna help me test fit one. If it goes on perfectly, all four will go on, and if it doesn't, I gotta order adapters. So here we go. All right, guys, here are the original wheels. This is the way I bought the Xterra. So I basically ended up buying the stock rims from a 2006 Pathfinder, and this is a 2010 Xterra. So they hopefully should have the same bolt pattern and they should fit. So we're gonna take one to test, and if it works, we'll put the other three on, and if it doesn't, I need to order adapters to change the bolt pattern, and that will be a delay. So let's see what happens. All right, we need to clear this out, and here are the wheels. So as you can see, they need some TLC, but they have tires with some decent tread, not brand new, but way better than what I got. So let's hope these fit. They should fit. I'm praying that they fit, and we'll take it from there. This is the rim we're gonna test out. Hopefully it fits, and if it fits, we put all the other ones on. Oh, it's heavy. All right. All right, we're rolling up to Angel's crib right now. See his yellow Mustangs out front. And let's see how he wants me to park this bad boy so we can test this wheel. Qué diferencia, loco. Qué diferencia. You see how fast that was, bro?